What's up, guys? Today we're working on a 2015 Forester, and customer is driving and ripped the fender liners off, so we're gonna go ahead and install new used fender liners on it. So usually when the fender liner rips, you'll have these clips that hold them in. There was one still stuck up here, so I pulled it out. So you want to make sure that all these little holes that it clips into they don't have these in them. Sometimes they just rip around it. So first thing first, you're gonna have one of these big clips, these big guys that sit right here, that goes through this fender liner as well. So if this is ripped out, this might be gone too. If it's still there, pull it out because it needs to go underneath it. So trick is get this puppy in there somehow without too much hassle. Oh, see, right here, there's another clip. I missed it. There's one more clip right here. If you want, you can hold one clip in your hand, so when you get this thing in there, maybe put one in. Put one in there, and then this lip needs to go inside the fender. There's little lips right here. You can't miss them. Right in here. There's one right in here. Kind of just, you know. And the holes will start lining up. There's one right here. Now these holes are factory, these clips are factory Subaru. You can probably find some used ones online. We don't sell them. I collect them from the yard and we reuse them. So one there. Let's go ahead and put this one in right here. This, make sure that this ends up on the inside, like that. Your clip hole is going to be right here between the, like that. This is in. You know, we got those guys in. I'm going to finish the back first. Let's see how many clips this thing takes. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's one up here. 7. 7. There's 8 right there. There's one up here. 9. These two guys right here, there's a belly pan that goes underneath it. That's also ripped out, so we're gonna put a new belly pan on there. So when we get to that part, the belly pan goes up and clips into here. Let me show you the belly pan. Here's the belly pan. We're talking about this one right here. This one hole right here takes one of the bigger clips, like the bumper holds. Let me show you one of these guys right here. So you can put this one in here, and then this piece, we'll put that in. It'll come up and slide right here, and we'll put this clip in. There you go. It's right in the spot. So this side's done. Make sure that there's 2 tabs, one here and one here on the fender. The metal tabs that go in here like this. Make sure that the liner is on the inside of that. The hell, what do you know? See, we're missing the bottom piece, like this guy has. Put this guy in first. And then we gotta put this tenon right here. Right there. If you look right here, there's these 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing has 4. This guy goes in this pocket and then slides up. And they take these clips. I'll put one right here to hold it. This is gonna be a little difficult because we're going into plastic, but there's one there. There's 2 here. There it goes. I'll hold it. Sweet. Don't forget this one. That's really all there is to the left side of this liner. Now we're making another video for the right side in case you can't figure it out. So we're gonna move on to the other side.